Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Patriotic nail foil design. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Madame Glam's Peel Off base coat, and you can use whichever you prefer. I'm going to be using Madame Glam's Perfect Black as my base color. After I've applied that, I'm going to be curing it, and then once it's fully cured, I'll be applying a coat of this Mischeering gel foil adhesive, and once that's cured, we'll be moving on to the foils. So I have some pre-cut strips of foil in red, hollow silver, and blue, and I'm basically going to be taking them and applying them in kind of a haphazard fashion to each nail. So just taking like a corner of the silver and applying it down and pulling it off, and once I go over these nails with the silver, I'll come back with the red and then with the blue. As you're going along, any place you can still see the base color peeking through is a place that could still be a little sticky, so you can alternate back and forth between the colors a little bit, and then once you're happy, you can seal everything in with a gel top coat, and I'm using Madame Glam's No Wipe top coat. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. I think it's a lot different than most of the 4th of July manicures that are in my Patriotic playlist, which I'll try to remember to include a link for. But I have to admit that this was not the original plan. That fell apart in rather spectacular fashion, and this was the backup idea. If you'd like to see a little bit more of that fail, the live stream archive will be up here on YouTube in the next couple of days. And of course, if you'd like the opportunity to see future fails live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I was really impressed with this gel adhesive for how cheap it is. It was $2 and $2 shipping on Amazon. So if you're interested in a gel foil adhesive, I can recommend this one. If you have any recommendations of your own, please leave them down in the comments. And I'd also love to hear what you guys think of this one. If you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.